So hey everyone, in this video we will see how to record a future show on Xumo Stream Box, schedule recording and manage DVR. So quick summary is open guide, then select future show, tap record, record series, confirm setting and it will record when it airs. Manage everything in my library, recording and schedules. So open the TV guide on search. Press the guide button or use search on your remote. Find the upcoming shows or episode you want to record. You must select a show that hasn't started yet. Second one is open program detail. Click on the show title. This open the program info page with options. Third one is choose recording option. Select record, then choose record episode and record series, all future episodes. Fourth one is confirm and schedule. Adjust option. Start stop time and keep duration. Click confirm and record. This show is now scheduled and will record automatically when it airs. How to manage DVR recording. Access your recording. Go to my library, then recording. Schedule recording and completed recording. Edit or cancel a scheduled recording. Open my library, then scheduled. Select the show, choose cancel recording or modify setting. Record while watching. Press up button, record during while live TV. Record the current program instantly. Important notes are recording depend on cloud DVR service, may require subscription. You can only schedule show available in the guide, usually a few days ahead. Recording are stored in the cloud and accessible on other device. Thank you.